Good morning, outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike in Bayou Teche, Boudreaux, Louisiana. This morning we're testing a 10 horsepower Johnson Seahorse, I believe in 1961. This motor pushes my John boat 17 miles an hour upstream and 19 miles an hour downstream. She's a screamer and one of the best runners I've produced so far. Here we go. Aye, you can see that baby can run. I love it, man. This one motor is good for a good friend of mine, Ricky. Ricky here in Boudreaux. You can come get it when you're ready, buddy. You're gonna make a nice little bayou runner. See y'all next time.